So what are we going to do about climate change? Hello, this is Art Johnson with New World Communication, and I've got a great approach to this that I invite you to join us. We're going to be doing a world-class virtual event in April of this year, and we invite you to join us. So here we go. I'm going to just go ahead and share where we're going with this. We're talking about a truly effective all-people summit during Earth Week of 2022. Addressing our climate change challenge as our climate action opportunity. I'm an entrepreneur, and I don't want to stand still. I'm looking at challenges, opportunity here. Hopefully you are too. And we're talking about a transformational movement of humanity that gets us there in a timely way. So let's talk about the climate change challenge. Global warming from burning fossil fuels is causing cataclysmic outcomes. There's no more ways that we can deny this or have it be denied by others. Methane gas release is happening that's from melting permafrost in the Arctic, which is really making it worse. Rising ocean sea levels from melting ice is submerging entire cities and whole island nations. Extreme weather storms we're experiencing right now, cyclones, destruction, drought, and even death. We've been experiencing raging forest fires across the planet, in California, Australia, and across other places. Tremendous loss of property and loss of life. We're experiencing massive economic loss of livelihood and loss of life. We're experiencing increasing social and political unrest, massive migration, and even more conflict, some of it on racial bounds and grounds. We are experiencing ocean acidifications, killing coral reefs and impacting a series of events and our whole chain of life. We are experiencing continual global epidemic public health crises that are getting exacerbated. We're experiencing an increased threat of war and genocide and annihilation. We're experiencing massive species life extinction happening on a daily basis. We're experiencing increasing Earth inhabitability. The Earth becomes a place where you can't live there anymore because the ecosystem is shot. Scientists are warning us of a possible mass extinction of all species life on the planet. So we need more effective action in a timely and life-sustaining way. And that's what we're talking about here. So let's look at the climate action opportunity. I'm not, I look at half a glass of water as half full, not half empty. And so we have a tremendous climate action opportunity right now. I've identified over 80 climate solutions with an organization called Project Drawdown that has over 80 climate solutions that are already known. And the more we get to know them, some of the solutions we're going to like that make the most sense. And these can get trusted. We can learn to trust what we like and what these solutions promise. And then we can try out solutions that we got to know, like, and trust. And some of them can get bought. We get the most promising solutions bought by people and by governments, by individuals, by companies, by organizations. And we can grow more business, getting even more climate solutions bought. And we can refer more business in even more diverse, equitable, and inclusive ways across generations, across genders, across communities, across the planet. We can create and fill jobs and even create new entrepreneurs to address our future, working with our youth and other generations of people. So this is a great e-learning services opportunity, and we have developed a whole entire suite of e-learning services that we are using to mobilize people in a transformative way. This is a truly transformative social learning experience going beyond anything that is known from corporations that are just focused on using their own kind of making a profit, avoiding the loss, but not really focusing on climate and the impact that way. And so we're doing to gain focus, we're doing virtual focus groups and strategic planning to get people on target and to be spot on ourselves with the people we serve and the organizations we serve. And we're using YouTube programming channel development to inform, empower, and grow climate action business. This could be your business. And we're developing workshops and courses using Zoom to grow business, using YouTube to grow business, and even on our campaign course to train and empower Mobilization Campaign stakeholders, participants, presenters, exhibitors, sponsors. And we're on a mobilization campaign, which we launched in November, to arrive at a world-class transformational virtual conference, trade show, and job fair. And so here is to arrive there. We're going to do this step by step to get enabled to do business development meetings over Zoom, to be social, in using social media, to use YouTube programming and channel development, to do really fun virtual business casuals at local restaurant happy hours across the planet, in the same time zones and even between different time zones, engaging people, important people and stakeholders in critical conversations over Zoom and YouTube and Facebook with some amazing spin-off outcomes like a world-class consulting practice that we are just part of, but with other partners, with new social ventures and even rethinking education from the ground up, from the individual all the way up to the largest nation state. And then we're actually we come out of broadcast and we work with film professionals to do produce primetime interactive reality television that's going to be really edutaining. It's educational as well as entertaining. It'll be really, really good. It's going to be for primetime viewing. And our world-class virtual conference and trade show and job fair will be big reach and learning reach and serving all across the planet, not just a few, but everyone that we're, including in this. And the way we're going to do this is via innovative instructional design services, embracing and leveraging transformational social learning for all. So we're front runners in this. We haven't really seen the extent to where this can be taken to do even more good. And of course, we can do physical world live streaming, reaching and engaging more people in a hybrid world way. Some people will want to meet. Some people won't even be technologically enabled. They might go to, an event and then see this on the screen and see that there are other people there virtually. And this is so much better than the old way, which was cost prohibitive and exclusive with an uplink truck and $50,000 cameras and a whole crew. And even after all of that, latency at a lower resolution than is possible now, even from your cell phone. So we are really in a new world now. And so the whole point is to do global strategic partnership building. This is a marvelous outcome of working together and flowing our good. So I invite you to come join us, in a time, to flow timely good to all people across our planet. I'm talking to you. I'm reaching out to you because this is an opportunity to really kind of break through a lot of challenges, and psychologically, it's really good for your spirit to know that you're really doing something to go beyond just making a living, but making it better, improving the quality of life and maybe all species life on the planet. So this is just a wonderful time to do this. So anyway, I invite you to go ahead and come and join us. to flow timely good to all people across our entire planet. And so I want to thank you. And for more information, you can contact me, Art Johnson of New World Communications. Our phone is 1-206-920-8067. Our email is support@newworldcom.com, and our website is www.newworldcom.com. So that's it. How about it? Come join us right now. This is going to be so much fun to work with you and to really bring the world together to address, simultaneously some of the issues that are infected and, that are impacting our society and our culture and our economy and even our health. So thank you so much, and I look forward to working with you.